Hey everyone, my name is Lacey and welcome to my channel. So I am actually going to be using this shrink plastic. So if you haven't seen my other plastic charm video, I'm going to put it in the iCards above, so please check that out. And in that video I used like plastic that I had saved from packaging, and then I used it to kind of try to make those keychains, which was really fun. But I have to say that this works so much better. I got it online and I talked about that in my video, and I said at some point I'm going to try this out. So I finally did try it out and it works so well. I was so pleased by this. So I'm excited to be able to show this to you guys. And I actually did two different types of charms. I did Animal Crossing and I also did charms themed by Mariah Elizabeth's characters. I am super stoked to show you guys these because I worked really hard on them. I do know that they are not perfect replicas, and that is okay. That's fine. Sometimes you make executive decisions because things kind of go better like for you the way that like you're used to drawing something, or maybe you didn't have the right colors or something like that, and it's totally fine to put your own spin on things. I had a lot of fun making them and I cannot wait to show you guys. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe, as this helps me be able to further my channel, and I'm just gonna get right on into it. So here we go. Hey everyone, thank you for making it to the end of my video. So I had so much fun making these with you guys, and to be honest, they came out like so much better than I had anticipated. I love how small they are and compact, and to be honest, they're really sturdy. So I don't think I'm gonna show you guys every single one of these because there's so many. There's so many, but I will show you kind of my favorite ones. So I really love how Eric came out. This is Eric from Animal Crossing, and I feel like I just put a lot into him. He was a suggestion from one of my friends. I have Animal Crossing New Leaf and she has Animal Crossing New Horizons, and we compare all the time. And so I did some characters that I loved and some that she loved, and I'm gonna send this one to her. I hope that you guys like it as well. Also, you guys should tell me who your favorite Animal Crossing character is, and maybe I will do a charm or some kind of like art of that as well. So I love that one. I actually just really love, I might show you all of these. I just love them so much. So here's Marshall. Yes, he kind of looks like Pikachu. I didn't have the right color for him, so I colored him yellow, and my friend was like, Pikachu. And there's Lucky. Those three were her favorites, so I'm sending her all three of those. This one is my husband's favorite, Flora, and I based it kind of on a design someone else had done online, so I'm gonna link them down below if I can find them again. And I thought that was so cute. And then there's Leaf. I love him. Marina. I just really want her as a character. Lily, I would like her too. I think I have what's the other one? The boy one of her, Henry? I think his name is Henry, but I would like to have her. Also, I just got Ribbot and he is terrifying. So tell me your guys' favorite character and then tell me like your least favorite character. I think my least favorite so far is Hippo, like Hippeux. I do not like him. Okay, there's Molly. I think she's so cute, but my husband pointed out that she kind of looks like she's holding a knife, like my bad. And then there's Rosie, and she might be my favorite so far. I have her as a villager, and she's kind of one of my OGs, so I really like her. So that's all of those. And then I'm gonna show you all of my Mariah Elizabeth ones, but I have to say I haven't done the model magic on those yet, and that's just this clear, it kind of gives it dimension. It's from Mod Podge. It's called Model Magic, and it kind of helps make them have like a coat, kind of almost like resin without resin, makes them a bit more puffy, and I just really like how they look. So I'm gonna show you, like, here's Pickle. Let me see if you guys can tell, but he looks kind of is rough, and he kind of looks foggy a bit. And then this is it with the dimensional magic. So let's see. I don't know if you guys can tell, to be honest. But I had issues doing the polka dots on these just because the paint kept getting mixed in with the color from the Sharpies. But you can kind of tell that he has dots on his spine. So there he is. And there's Georgie, Mr. Hot Cocoa. I don't know this one's name. It's a penguin. Don't come at me. I don't know, you guys. There's that strawberry lemon cake roll. I think that's so cute. Okay, so this is what actually made me make Mariah Elizabeth's characters, and it's that I bought the pop socket of this Grateful Monkey, and I actually really wanted Pickle, but they were out. But I bought this on her merchandise site, and I can't wait for it to come in, and I actually want to make charms for my phone. That's why I started making these. But I actually, all the ones I've showed you so far, I forgot to put holes in to make them into charms, so I'm actually gonna make them into pins, but I'm gonna remake them into charms so I can make a big phone charm with like all of them on it. And I will try to like link a little video in or like a photo of it once it's done, because I have to remake all of these, so it's unfortunate. And there's Cousin Dirt. My husband really likes Cousin Dirt. So you guys should tell me who your favorite Mariah Elizabeth character is. And so here's the ones I actually remember to put holes in, and that's this one. I don't know its name, sorry. The Squishy Ghost. I think this was like Bumble Bear or something. I can't remember. What's this one's name? It's got the little bee. I had to put the hole through the bee. Sorry about that. And the little bread. And then there's the peanut butter and jelly hamster. I can't remember their names either. I'm just bad with names. I can't remember. And the tiny mango. My husband really liked the tiny mango, and it's actually like a gradient. I feel like it's hard to see in the video. It was really hard because it is on plastic, so some of the colors didn't really come out as I had expected, but I do really like how it came out. And also sometimes the ink kind of got like spread on the clear. I don't know if you can really tell. I think it's hard to tell, but it is. I don't know who my favorite is. I like the penguin a lot. I like Mr. Hot Cocoa. I like the mango. I like them all really. I mean, it's hard to choose. And I actually really want to buy the crochet pattern and crochet one of the characters. I think that would be so cute. I plan on doing that at some point. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, you should let me know. And like I said, if you guys have any suggestions on which characters I should make next, let me know because I will be really happy to do that. And also, I just wanted to show you this, but I drew all of these by hand, even though they're based on characters, obviously not my characters. It was fun practice, but I didn't know what to do with the stencils afterwards, so I colored them and put them in my sketchbook. So kind of had like this painted background, and I cut them out kind of like stickers and put them in there. So we have like this bear, I forget its name, starts with the M, Megan, and Meringue. I like them, but I didn't make them into charms. Then I think I made all of these ones. So yeah, before I got the little like capsules you can put acrylic paint in, I just didn't know what to do with the rest of my acrylic paint, so I was just like painting it in my sketchbook. So I used those pages to put those in, and I haven't done Mariah Elizabeth's yet because I wanted to like remake those one charms, and I will, but super fun. So I hope that you guys like this video, and I know I had a lot of fun making it, and I would love to know what you guys think. So please leave all your comments below the video, and I will see you guys next time. All right, thanks. Bye.